Hi, I'm Allaire Diamond, ecologist with the Vermont Land Trust, and I'm here today at land in Barre that Vermont Land Trust has recently purchased in order to help transition that land to the farmers at Old Soul Farm. And we've got about 20 volunteers out here today. We're planting trees on the margins of a wetland and stream on the property. We've got volunteers from Vermont Land Trust, from Vermont Housing and Conservation Board, from the Eco AmeriCorps program, from Ursa Major, and we'll also be working with volunteers from Sun Common to plant these trees. Historically, farmers used all of the available land on their farms that they could. But with our growing awareness of the importance of water quality and the ways that our streamside areas and wetlands contribute to high water quality, we're working with farmers to take some of their lands out of production along streams and wetlands and return them to forest through planting projects like the one that we're here doing today. So here in the community of Barre, we've got working farmland, we've got homes, we've got businesses, industry, the town, and water, whether it's falling from the rain or running across the land after the rainstorm or after snowmelt, all of that water is running down into the streams and wetlands that are around us here. The stream behind me here at this farm is a headwater stream of the Stevens Branch. The Stevens Branch eventually flows into the main stem Winooski, which eventually flows into Lake Champlain. What we're doing here is we're planting about 800 trees to create a growing forest. And those trees, as they grow, get larger, as they attract wildlife who will bring their own seeds to plant more trees to grow, those trees will put down deep and complex root systems that will slow and absorb water and nutrients that are running across this land. And they'll improve water quality in the stream, and by extension, they'll improve water quality in the lake. So we're doing our part today with this community of wonderful volunteers to help improve the water quality, not just in our local community and our local stream, but in the downstream communities and the lake as a whole as well. Some of the trees and shrubs that we're planting today include white pine, paper birch, cottonwood, serviceberry, red oak, choke cherry, black cherry, balsam poplar, quaking aspen, and nannyberry. And these are all species that can really do well and thrive in places that have been disturbed, like this former hayfield, and in full sun, which you can see we're lucky to have today. These species are important to plant when we're doing this kind of reestablishment of forest because they can do so well in these disturbed settings. They can also attract wildlife, but they resist the browsing of species like deer and voles that can really damage newly planted small trees in fields. So we love to plant a mix of species to promote a forest that has a diverse suite of species in it, and also species that we know will be successful in a setting like this. Follow Vermont Land Trust to stay updated on other projects that might be coming to your area and other important work that we're doing to restore water quality around the state.